This is the first time I am using a Samsung Fold, and it is the Fold 4 to be precise. In this video, I will be sharing my experience of using it as a first timer. Hey guys, you are watching TechNutso, let's get started. The Z Fold 4 was launched back in August 2022. Samsung portrayed the Z Fold 4 as a productivity device. Since then, I wanted to get my hands on it, and today I got to experience it. Samsung has been pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. They have come a long way since their first Fold. The durability of the Fold phones has been becoming better with each generation. A device that unfolds to reveal a large, vibrant 7.6 inches 120Hz display is extremely ravishing. You can have a tablet-like experience while still being able to fold up to fit comfortably in your pocket. It doesn't feel bulky at all. The build quality feels solid, and the hinge mechanism feels as tight as it should be. The one I have is beige and 512GB of storage. The color looks quite like white, but the gold shade in it makes it different. The matte glass back and the camera module look very premium, but I am not a fan of the glossy stainless steel sides of it. They don't look bad, but it is not to my taste. Although it reflects a mirror-like finish, fingerprints are not visible. The cover screen as well as the main screen both are 120Hz. The displays are crisp and the touch response is buttery smooth. The cover screen is adequate enough, but it should be a little bit wider so that most of the stuff can be done on it. I have used the main display to do most of my work and also some entertainment. It does give me the full tablet workflow, but can it replace my iPad? I will answer the same in my Z Fold 4 review, which is what I am working on while you are watching this video. Subscribe to not miss out on the same. Physical overview of the Z Fold 4. At the front is the 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X 120Hz display, which has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The aspect ratio of the same is 23:1:9. This display has considerable amount of bezels. It has a 10 megapixel wide selfie camera just below the earpiece. No in-display fingerprint sensor. On the inside is the 7.6 inches foldable Dynamic AMOLED 2X 120Hz HDR10 Plus with 1200 nits of brightness. This display has very minimal bezels, which makes the display look very mesmerizing. It has an under-display selfie camera of 4 megapixel which tries hard to hide itself but is visible all the time. On the left is a SIM tray slot that can accommodate 2 nano physical SIM cards. At the bottom are speaker grills, a mic, and a Type-C port for charging as well as data transfers. On the right are the volume rockers and a power button with a fingerprint scanner in it. On the top are 3 microphones and a speaker grill. These are stereo speakers tuned by AKG. On the back is a triple camera system with sensors 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash. The Z Fold 4 is capable of shooting 8K video. We'll have to surely check it out in the review video. The Samsung Z Fold 4 is a 5G enabled handset running on Android 13 with One UI 5.1.1. At the heart is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with the Adreno 730 GPU. Day-to-day tasks are a breeze on the Z Fold 4. But what about gaming? The Z Fold 4 has 4400 mAh of battery inside of it, which can be charged at 25 watt wired and 15 watt wireless. Special thanks to Hemant Bhai from Majestic Mobiles for making this video possible. They deal in all types of tech gadgets, new and used, from Android to iPhone, smartwatches, etc. I have given the link to their Instagram page in the video description. Go visit and follow them. You will find the store location and contact number on their Instagram page. As a first timer, my initial experience with the Z Fold 4 has been very surprising. I have used the Z Flip 3 and my review of the same is live on the channel. If you want to watch it, tap on the I button. The Z Flip and the Z Fold are two very different phones. Can the Z Fold 4 replace my iPad? Is the Z Fold 4 worth your money in 2024? All of the questions will be answered in my full review. So make sure you subscribe now so that you get notified when the video is live. So here I end my video. These were my first impressions of the Samsung Z Fold 4. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.